Did you hear? Tomorrow is the culture program in our school.
Yes, many students are preparing for dance, drama and singing.
By the way, do we have anyone among us who loves singing?
Of course, I just love singing. Music is my passion.
Really, dear, that's amazing. Have you taken part in the singing competition?
Yes, I have singing. Makes me feel happy and confident.
Wow, can you sing something for us right now?
Yes, please. We would love to listen.
Okay, but if you promise me to clap loudly.
Promise, we will clap the loudest.
राधा ने कान करे वार, आँखना इशारा थी वार। राधा ने कान करे वार, आँखना इशारा थी वार। वो राधा पूछे छे वળી, प्रीत समझाव काना। राधा पूछे छे वળી, प्रीत समझाव काना। कानो કહે કે તારો સાર, આંખના ઇશારાથી વાર। કાનો કહે કે તારો સાર, આંખના ઇશારાથી વાર। રાધાને કાન કરે વાર, આંખના ઇશારાથી વાર।
Wonderful, Riya. Your voice, so sweet.
You are certainly going to win the competition.
All the best, Riya. We are proud of you.
Thank you, my dear friends. Your encouragement is my strength.
Bye.
Bye bye.